The term algae, or Latin seaweeds, was first introduced by Linnaeus in 753, meaning hepatis. The algae comprise of a large, heterogeneous assemblage of plants which are diverse in habitat, size, organization, physiology, biochemistry, and reproduction. Algae are eukaryotic organisms that have no roots, stems, or leaves but do have chlorophyll and other pigments for carrying out photosynthesis. Algae can be multicellular and unicellular. The cell of an algae has eukaryotic properties, and some species have flagella about the 9 plus 2 pattern of microtubules. Another thing is, algae can be either or found where there is adequate moisture, and reproduction in algae occurs in both asexual and sexual forms.
So good day. So I represent a video is all about the classifications of algae and the ecological role of algae. So the first thing is, what is algae? So algae is a simple non-flowering and typically aquatic plants of a large group that includes the seaweeds and many single-celled forms. So algae contains chlorophyll but lack through stems, roots, leaves, and vascular tissue. So this is the classifications of algae. So one of the best known algae classifications was proposed by Fritz, who divided them into 11 classes in 1945. So classifications is based on pigments, flagella, and reserve found materials. 11 classes proposed by Fritz as follow. So the first things is Chlorophyceae, second is Xanthophyceae, then the third is Chrysophyceae, fourth is Bacillariophyceae, 5 is Cryptophyceae, 6 is Dinophyceae, 7 is Chloromonadinaceae, 8 is Euglenicaea, 9 is Pyophyceae, 10 is Rhodophyceae, then the last is the Myxophyceae. So this is the 11 classifications of algae. So the ecological role of algae is, so algae are communically important in a variety of ways. So the natural substances can be used as a food source. So it is a folder in fish farming and as a fertilizer. So it also plays a key role in alkaline reclaiming, can be used as soil binding agent. So and it used in a variety of commercial products. So in addition to making organized molecules, so the role of algae is produce oxygen as by group product of photosynthesis. So algae produce and as estimated products. So it is presence of the net global oxygens available in human to another terrestrial animals for respiration. It also remaining used to 30 to 50% of the net global. So it is the animals of respirations, the economically of the waste, the natural substances can be used as a food squared. Source is a folder first firming of the agents and commercials of a product. So this is the ecological rules of algae. So this is the products that molecules algae is a produce of oxygens, a byproduct of a photosynthesis. So this is the classifications of algae and ecological role of algae. So that's all. Thank you.